I got Brad and Kevin, I always wanted peacocks. I never thought that I would actually get peacocks. I have a nephew who had this set of peacocks, and he's had them for a little while, but he was looking to rehome them, and he asked me if I wanted them. And I was like, what? Like, really? I told him, you know, let me think about it, because with peacocks, because they're adults and they're relocating, they need to acclimate, and they need quite a long time of acclimation before you can let them out and free range them. Otherwise, they will try to fly away and go back home. When I decided, yes, I started working on like an old chicken coop that we used to have. So this is the front of it. I have a little video of when I was putting it together. This was not there. That's their roost. They need 3 to 6 months of acclimation. And is that right? So that's my story of how I got Brad and Kevin.